More than 1 million Americans rely on Medicaid benefits for reproductive health like prenatal care and cancer screenings. But those services could vanish under the so-called Big Beautiful Bill, which effectively strips Medicaid funding from clinics that provide abortions, even when those abortions are privately funded.
And there's absolutely no indication that those patients have anywhere else to go if they are unable to seek their comprehensive, necessary health care from Planned Parenthood centers, which is what the government is trying to stop them from doing, which is why this lawsuit is so important and why it is so important for us to get this law stopped.
Planned Parenthood has sued to block the measure, calling it a culmination of a decade-long push by anti-abortion activists to defund the organization. A temporary restraining order allows clinics to keep operating and getting Medicaid payments, but that protection could expire within days.
It is pretty devastating if this provision goes into effect. They will likely lose a trusted provider, and there will be significant harm and devastation, both in just the healthcare system overall, but wait times, delays in care.
Republican lawmakers insist no taxpayer money should indirectly support clinics offering abortion services, but legal experts argue the ban could have wider consequences.
Even if this isn't a ruling about abortion, it will have big knock-on effects on access, not primarily to abortion, but to a range of other reproductive health services, and of course, potentially on abortion too down the road.
It's an unprecedented legal battle for reproductive health providers, and what happens in the coming weeks could determine what happens even in states like California, which has long cast itself as a national sanctuary for reproductive rights. The state has taken big strides to protect abortion access, but the sheer scale of the potential funding cuts, estimated at $300 million in lost Medicaid reimbursements, coupled with its impact on Planned Parenthood clinics serving 700,000 Californians, could stretch state resources and test whether California can truly fill the gap. Ediz, Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.